Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got another amazing set of free Udemy courses for you. These are normally paid, but the coupon codes you can enroll for free. As always, remember that these coupons are time limited. So grab them as soon as possible. The links are available in the description box below. So let's get quickly go through the courses for you. So the first course is Microsoft Office with AI, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. This course is completely free of cost. You will be entitled with a free certification of completion as well. This is a full lifetime access course and it has 9.5 hours almost course. That means it's a very good course, I could say, and it has more than 2000 students as well. So I believe like you can get a mm, good course on this case. Fine. So moving ahead is our next category, which is programming. So we get here another course, which is Java Network Programming. And here we can learn more about Java networking and TCP, UDP protocols and other things. And it has more than 8 hours of course, like 14 downloadable resources and certification of completion as well. So yes, definitely it will be the better opportunity to learn Java, I hope. So moving ahead, we have C++ course and it says that it has a 13 hours of course and it has 56 downloadable resources if you see here, and it has a one coding exercise as well. So that means it's a very great course, I could say. So we can like you can redeem this course, and if you're a good like learning to enthusiast to learn C++, so please go and redeem this course as soon as possible before it what it says like uh, disappears or invalidate the code. Fine, coming back next. So here we get the Python mobile app development. So it has like 8+ mobile application projects. So in this course, and it has like 6+ hours of course time. And so please go ahead and like take this course. I hope this will help you out to learn Python more better in terms of mobile application. Next is one of the demanding course, which is React, and that's also free. So you can learn React free of cost, and it has very good amount of video time as well, which is 21 hours, which is good. You have 12 coding exercises as well, so please check it out. Next is PHP with MySQL, and you are getting a management system as well. So I hope that will help you out, and it has also like more than 9 hours of course time, and that will help you learn PHP and MySQL on better way, I hope. Let's move ahead, which is mastering C sharp with learn building games, applications, software. So you can learn the things in a fun way. And that also has a more than 6 hours plus course time. So I hope that will also help you out. Next is Python Django with full stack development. So you can build modern web application, and it has also more than 5 hours of course, and it has 10,000 plus students. The creator has. So obviously, I think like this could be a better course, I hope. So coming back is Figma for user interface and user experience, which we say UI UX design. So you can also check it out this course, and this is 5 hours of course, and it will be like free. So please check it out. Next, we have Android app development in 34 hours course with the MobDevOps plus Android 15. That means it's going to have some terms of things in DevOps as well. So I hope like this will also help you out. And don't worry, every course has a certificate of completion. So you will definitely get a certificate at the end of every course. Coming back, here we have another practice test. If you think that how better you are in Python programming, so you can test your knowledge. So here we have a Python programming practice test. So you can check this out, this course as well. Coming back, There we have a course for Python programming. So it's a beginner to advanced, he is claiming, and he has 24 plus hours course time, and that will help you a lot to understand builds, automation, data science, and a lot of things are there. So please go check it out. I hope this course will also give you a better opportunity to learn. Next is Python certification, the next level Python, and it has 3 hours course. I hope this will also give you a fundamental understanding that how you are going to build the things and etc. So that will also give you a better understanding. And going to the next course, which is also free, and it is 30 days of Angular. So you can build 30 projects with Angular JS, and it has 27 hours of course with 29 articles and 7 downloadable resources. So definitely, I think you must check it out. Then there is another is a JavaScript. You can build some game projects with JavaScript. So you can check this out as well. That's 7 hours of course with 5 downloadable resources and 19 articles as well. So I hope this will also will not upset you. Coming back, which is another like demanding course, we can say it's the Next.js crash course. It has 3 hours of video course and it has one downloadable resources. I think you can also go and check it out. This will help you out, bring your knowledge on Next.js. Now we have another big course, which is a computer engineering mastery from beginner to expert. This course contains 46 hours, more than 46 hours course time, and it has plenty of things out there which we generally learn on our BTech or BC or MC, something like that. So you can also learn from this course. I hope this will give you a better opportunity to learn those things again and again. Coming back, like we have another course which is we can build 8 Python apps and games and web applications. We can master the Python, and it has more than 6 hours course time. So you can watch this course as well. Now we have a demanding practice test for from AWS Certified Developer Associate. If you're thinking to take a examination or the certification for AWS Certified Developer Associate, so definitely you can check out this course, and this will help you to gain understanding that how far you have built yourself, and these questions may help you in your upcoming certification. Next we have another chapter for AI. So here we start with the artificial intelligence and the generative AI volume 1, and this course has 2.5 hours of course time. So this will also give you a better fundamental knowledge about generative AI and etc. So you can check this out. So next we have another course which is evaluating generative models, methods, and method metrics. So you can also check that like how LLM and etc. is helping you out. So these lessons may help you in some terms, in terms of fundamentals, because this has a 1 hour demanding video. So you can easily check it out, and it will not take much time to check it out. Coming back here, generative AI masterclass, how to supercharge 20 plus AI tools. That means you can learn 20 plus AI tools on this course. So please go and check out and take a flavor of the AI tools which are available on this course. So next we know that vibe coding is nowadays a trending topic. So you can go and learn something more about vibe coding with GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Lovable, and Windsurf. And it has 8 hours course time as well. So I think this will give you a vast knowledge as well. So please go and check out. Next we have another AI course which is for Windsurf for beginners, and it's a AI crash coding course. So you can also check this out. So this will also give you a fundamental knowledge or sometimes some advanced topics may cover. So again, like if you are preparing for AWS Machine Learning Engineer Associate, so this practice test will help you out to practice yourself, test your knowledge, understand that how you are aligned with the certification. So this will help you out. Next, we have another topic which is DevOps. So if you are looking for job and you are preparing for some interviews, so please go check out this interview preparation guide. This might help you preparing your interview, and this might give you a better thing. So go check it out. I hope this will help you out. Next, nowadays we know the AI is trending. So AI is on DevOps. So here it is showing that you can also build your infrastructure on cloud with the help of AI and with the station ops. So please go and check out this course. I hope this will also give you understanding about the station ops. Since we are on DevOps, and like DevOps people may come up with Agile and Scrum, so here we have a Scrum certification course and which have more than 8 hours of course time. So please go and check out this course as well. This might help you out maybe. And sometimes what happens, we also like we are not very familiarized with the agile terms or the scrum terms. So this course may help you to be understanding about the agile and scrum terms. So you can also get these things that may also help you in your coming projects. Okay, so there is another practice test we are getting for the Cloud NetX version 1 practice exam from the CompTIA. So you can check this out course then if you're preparing for an examination from the Cloud NetX with CompTIA. So this course may help you in preparing your examination. If you are a DevOps professional and thinking to like go with the certification on AWS certification for DevOps engineer professional, so this practice exam will definitely going to help you out, and you can be aligned with this certification. There are so many questions are there, 300 plus questions are there, so I think this will help you out. Okay, so moving ahead. So you may know like another training course is AWS Certified Solution Architect Professional. Again, if you are preparing for any examination, so this course will going to help you out in terms to prepare your examination. And this there are 300 plus questions are there, so this will help you out in your upcoming examination. And wish you all the very best for your certification if you guys are preparing. Sorry. So here we have a AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate Practice Exam. Again, it has 400 plus questions, and you can try this practice test as well. This will help you out, and this will like be aligned you on the like ground of certification, and that will help you to know more about you, like how far you understood the AWS Solution Architect. Now moving ahead to another chapter, which is data. So let me just close all these tabs. So if you are preparing for Databricks Certified Data Engineer Professional Examination, so you can check it out, this practice test. This has 100 plus questions are there. So this will help you out. Second is if you are again preparing for Databricks Certified Data Engineer Associate Examination. So this practice exam or practice test will help you out. Again, it has 100 plus questions. So this will help you out in preparing your examination. Again, we have another practice test, which is Database Certified Machine Learning Professional. So if you are preparing for any certification in terms of database machine learning, so again, you can check this out. This will also help you out in your coming certification. And not last but not the least for the data. So if you are looking for some course on data science, so definitely this course will going to help you out since it has more than 8 hours of course time. So this will help you out. So please go and check out this course as well. So this will help you out. So if you are a security professional and like or thinking to like bring up your career on security, so you might know one of the framework is NIST. So this will help you out knowing more about NIST and zero trust architecture. So that will help you out on this course. So I hope like you will get 2 hours of course, and additionally you will get definitely a certificate of completion. So that will definitely going to help you out. And if you are again like preparing to enroll for examination of with AWS certified security specialty, or in coming future you are preparing to get that. So this questions or the practice test is going to help you out. It has more than 200 plus practice tests are there. So you can test your knowledge there. So that will help you out. So if you think that this courses and the Udemy links which I'm sharing with you is helping you by any chance, and I'm like able to like put any effort to your career, so please feel free to comment, like the video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell on so that you never miss any Udemy courses which I'm going to provide, because these courses are time limited. Maybe like after my video, maybe 1 or 2 hour, maybe 3 4 hours later, these courses will not be anymore free. They will become paid. So please prepare yourself and go and check out the courses which are needed to you. And hope to like see you again in my channel again. I will be posting more such videos in coming days. Thank you so much for your support. Goodbye.